இப்போ வரல. இப்போ வரல. भीमातीर्निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठलाय नमो नमः। मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंद तीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः। शिवतनय वरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुकमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललंबोदरं तं मम हृदयनिवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि। कृष्णप्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णं पुनरुत्थिताये ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम् आज्यं यथा मन्त्रहुतं हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। चित्रैः पदैश्च गम्भीरैर्वाक्यमानैरखण्डितैः गुरुभावं व्यञ्जयन्ती भाति श्री जयतीर्थवाक् प्रणमत्कामधेनुं च भजत्सुरतरूपमं श्रीभावबोधकृत्पाद चिन्तामणिमुपास्महे। पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जन्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदना नाकाधीराजस्तुता मूकानामपि कुर्वती सुरधुनी नीकाश वाक्वैभवं। श्रीकाञ्चीनगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री सताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपते आकारिणी राजते। सत्यं विधातुं निजभृत्यभाषितं व्याप्तिं च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मनः अदृश्यत अत्यद्भुतरूपमुद्वहन् स्तम्भे सभायां न मृगं न मानुषं नरसिंहं न मृगं न मानुषम्। My humble obeisance to the Lord of Vrindavan and Guruvayur, Shri Krishna, to Sri Rama, the Lord of Ayodhya, to Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati and Ma Sita, to Mahadeva and Ma Kali, to Siddhi Vinayakji Maharaj and Subramanya Swami, to the exemplary devotee Shri Hanumanji, and to all the devotees of the Lord who are listening to the Bhagavatam. Sorry. By the grace of the Lord, we start with the traditional prayer. Samsara sagare magnam Deenam mam karunanidhe karma moha grahitangam mamuddhara bhavarnavat Srimad Bhagavatakhyoyam pratyaksha Krishna evahi svikritosi mayanath muktyartham bhavasagare मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव। शुकरूपा प्रबोधज्ञा सर्वशास्त्रविशारदा एतत् कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय। वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुम् अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्. By the grace of the Lord, on your behalf, on my own, we thank all the patrons of Kshatrupasana who have made it possible for me to do the Katha day after day, week after week, month after month. May all these devotees grow from strength to strength, joy to joy, prosperity to prosperity, and may they continue to do the noble work which they have undertaken. With this, we fall in tune with the divine and sing the Govinda Damodara Stotra. Agri Kurunam Atha Pandavanam Dushasanena Pritavatra Kesham Krishna Tadakroshadanam Yanatha Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति श्री कृष्ण विष्णु मधुकैटभारे भक्तानुकंपिन भगवन् मुरारे त्राह्यस्व मां केशव लोकनाथा गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति 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 वक्तुं समर्थोऽपि न वक्ति कश्चित् अहो जनानां व्यसनाभिमुख्यम् जिह्वेऽपि वस्व जिह्वेऽपि वस्व जिह्वेऽपि वस्वामृतं ये तदेवा गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति. Just before the Katha, I thought, long back when I was invited to Jaipur to give a Bhagavad Katha in Govind Dev Ji's Mandir, this song came to me. It says, Krishna, I have become yours. It is time you became mine. And whenever I sing, please come playing on the flute. I swear by Yashoda, by Nand Baba, by the cows, by the cowherds, by Devaki, everyone. I swear by the dark clouds. I swear by the dancing peacocks. I swear by the stealer of butter. I swear by Nandakishore. I swear by Mother Radha. I swear by that God-mad woman called Radha. I swear by the love of Krishna. I swear by Yogakshema. This is what the song means for those who don't understand Hindi. गोविंद मैं तेरी बन गई, तुम मेरे बन जाना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना, आना प्रभु मुरली बजाते आना. गोविंद मैं तेरी बन गई, तुम मेरे बन जाना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना, आना प्रभु मुरली बजाते आना. यशोदा मैया की कसम, नंद बबैया की कसम, ग्वाल और गैया की कसम, देव की मैया की कसम, गोविंद मैं तेरी बन गई, तुम मेरे बन जाना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना, आना प्रभु मुरली बजाते आना. घन घोर घटा की कसम, नाचते मोर की कसम, घन घोर घटा की कसम, नाचते मोर की कसम, माखन चोर की कसम, नंद किशोर की कसम, गोविंद मैं तेरी बन गई, तुम मेरे बन जाना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना, आना प्रभु मुरली बजाते आना. राधा रानी की कसम, प्रेम दीवानी की कसम, तुझे राधा रानी की कसम, प्रेम दीवानी की कसम, कृष्ण प्रेम की कसम, योग क्षेम की कसम, तुझे कृष्ण प्रेम की कसम, योग क्षेम की कसम, गोविंद मैं तेरी बन गई, तुम मेरे बन जाना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना, आना प्रभु मुरली बजाते आना, आना प्रभु मुरली बजाते आना। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। By the grace of the Lord, we go back to the Bhagavatam. If you remember, the Brahmin is arrived. Dwarakamsa samabhyetya pratiharai praveshita apashyat adyam purusham asinam kanchanasane. The Lord is seated on a golden throne. The Brahmin has his darshan. Drishtva brahmanya devam devastam avaruhya nijasanat. The Lord is known for his respect for Brahmanas. If you remember, Prithu Chakravarti once says to the Brahmanas, we don't give you anything. You eat your food, you wear your clothes. Whatever remains after you have enjoyed, we live on the leftovers. We Kshatriyas live on the leftovers. This is how the Lord has, in every avatara, respected Brahmanas. No wonder. Drishtva brahmanya deva devastam avaruhya nijasanat. When you see a Brahmin entering, like the Lord does, we have to rise up because he stands for the Vedas. Upaveshya arhayam chakre yathatmanam divokasaha. Just as the demigods worship Narayana, the Lord worships the Brahmana. And he's asking him, I hope you're happy. That's the main thing. I tell every Brahmin, please don't spread your hands like this. You were born to bless, not to beg. I think you like this quotable quote. Brahmin, you were born to bless and not to beg. You have the Veda with you. You should be happy with what you get. Don't worry about anything. It's not a coincidence. Today happens to be Rukmini Vivaha, and just now a whole packet or packets of sweets have come from Mohan Parashuranji, our chairman, after his son's wedding. Now you can clap. I'm sure your mouth is watering. Imagine, just then the laddus arrived. Just to tell you what a coincidence. Ramuji wants to show this to you. Please have a look at the laddu. Don't feel jealous of me. This is from Mohan Parashanji's son's wedding. It has come for the ashram. My dear listeners, nothing is a coincidence. Everything happens by the Lord's grace. Everything happens by His willing. Thank you. Thank you. Bhagavatam nadakarthe. Thank you. Thank you. I thank the gentleman who brought it. What a timing. He didn't come yesterday. It had to come today. I hope you know Mohan Parashanji is the son of the great Parashuran who won the Ayodhya case for us. And Nandini, Mohanji's wife, is like a daughter to me. So she said, I'll be sending you sweets, Amma, but I didn't know the timing would be so perfect. My disciple Bhavana always says, his timing is perfect, Amma. His timing is perfect. God's timing is perfect. On a day like this, I have to distribute sweets to the ashram people. And between you and me, all the elders will eat sweets and take insulin, but they will eat sweets. Don't clap for them. Radhika is a witness to it. This Amma has sent sweets, so we must eat. I said, please eat and have your tablets. Doesn't matter. My dear listeners, the Brahmana has to be satisfied. A dissatisfied Brahmin, according to the Lord in the Vamana Avatara, is someone who is despicable. He should be happy with what he gets. Otherwise, he will not concentrate on the puja, on the yajna. The Bhagavata says, is he a happy Brahmin? Santushta manasas sada. The Lord is asking him, Santushto yerhi vartet brahmano yena kenachit ahiyamanas swadharma sah hi asya akhilakamadhuk. He who is happy with what he gets, that person, let me tell you, he is the one, he has got what is known as Kamadhenu. Kamadhenu is the boon granting cow. Kamadhuk. Akhila Kamadhuk. That is what he will have. Asantushto asakrillokan napnoti api sureshwaraha. Even if he is the head of the gods, he won't be happy. Akinchanopi santushtaha shete sarvanga vijwaraha. A dissatisfied Brahmana, he'll wander restlessly, even if he becomes the head of the demigods in heaven, like Indra. But a satisfied Brahmana, even if he has nothing, let me tell you, even if he has nothing, he rests peacefully because all his limbs are resting and have no problem at all. Sarvanga Vijwaraha. The Bhagavata every now and then gives an advice to everyone for all the communities, the Kshatriya, the Brahmana, the Vaishya, and the Shudra, the serving class. All of us must learn from the Bhagavatam. Evam samprishta samprashno brahmana parameshtina lila grihita dehena tasmai sarvam avarnayat. The Lord had taken lila grihita dharma. This avatara is taken as a lila. I hope you understand. I want to tell you, sir, that I have brought a message from Mother Rukmini. That is for you. All of us know that these 7 shlokas are famous shlokas of the Bhagavatam. I have said this before and I tirelessly repeat, like 7 effective habits of successful people, Stephen Covey. You have 7 steps to salvation. If we read these 7 shlokas every day, the Lord comes close to our life. Difficult Sanskrit doesn't matter. At least read the translation. 10th canto, 52nd chapter, 37th shloka onwards. If you have a free running translation also, please read it. Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, doesn't matter, whatever it is. Just read it. It's full of devotion. Whenever I start these 7 shlokas, I remember my sister, I call her my legendary sister, Dr. Padma Subramaniam. I think it's the smell of the laddus. That's giving me the cough. My dear listeners, Dr. Padmaji doesn't do Bharatanatyam. She does Bharatanaritya. I hope you know the difference. It is not Natya, it is Nritya. Every expression for every shloka is outstandingly meticulous. You somehow feel that Rukmini is standing before you and talking to the Lord. The first thing Mother Rukmini says is anticipating questions from Krishna. Have you met me? Have you seen my photograph? Do you know who I am? Yes, I have heard about you. I have heard. Shrutva, please fold your hands and listen to these shlokas. They are the best prayer of devotion. All of our souls are Rukmini, and he is the master. You understand? Shrutva gunan bhuvana sundara shinvatam te nirvishya karna vivarai haratongatapam rupam drisham drishimatam akhilarthalabham tvayi achyuta avishati chittam apatrapam me. O Krishna, shameless on my part, apatrapam me chitta. I am a woman. I am proposing, Krishna. Forgive me, Master. How do you know me? Shrutva gunan Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Atmani Vedanam. The first word in the Navada Bhakti is Shravanam. How are we introduced to the Lord? How do you and I come to know Krishna? Through listening, Shrutva. Shrutva, what did I listen to first? Gunan, Master, your supreme character. You are a man of character. Just to give you the meaning for it, because the insightful meaning for it. Why? Because people say Rama, we understand he has guna, but Krishna, oh no, he's got so many girlfriends. Let me tell you, when Parikshit is born as a dark piece of charred baby, charred, totally black, charred. Oh, everybody says, he's gone, he's gone. There comes the great chorus, which says, anybody who is truly a celibate, if he touches this baby with his foot and it comes alive, it will be proved that celibacy has power. Nobody dare do it. Why? Because somewhere in the heart of hearts, somebody is not a celibate. We can say we are celibates, but you can't say in our heart of hearts we are celibates. Somewhere the mind has gone astray. It is finally Krishna who goes and touches the charred baby. It comes alive, my dear listeners. That is Krishna. Shrutva Gunam. You are the one with the flawless character. How can anybody think of Krishna in any other way? Shrutva Gunam. The Lord is very naughty, you know. She has heard about his naughtiness. Like Indian movies, there is a bridegroom scene before the wedding, and in the Kalyana Mandapam, there's a switching of bridegrooms. Huh? Somebody else appears. He says, suppose I turn out to be ugly. She says, I know about your beauty. Whether you come in mufti, or whether you come in uniform, whether you graze cattle, or whether you do the Rasalila, whether you hold the Govardhana, or whether you play on the flute, you are Sundara, you are Vanasundara, you are Bhuvana Sundara. Only she can give him a triple compliment. Do you understand? Triple compliment. Vanasundara, Sundara, Vanasundara, Bhuvana Sundara. When you go for a picnic, you're wearing shorts. When you go to the office, you're in full suit. You don't look nice in shorts. Or maybe you look better in shorts than the suit. It depends on your own physique. But not so my master. He is lovely in every form, in every attire. Bhuvana Sundara. And what did your gunas do? What is Krishna Katha doing, my dear listeners? Tava Kathamritam Krishna Tapta Jivanam Kavibhiriditam Krishna Kalmashapaham Shravanamangalam Krishna Srimadatam Bhuvi Te Krishna Bhurirajana. We don't know what is happening. I will tell you. The Lord says through Rukmini, Nirvishya Karna Vivarai. We have these crevices of the ear. The katha is going into these crevices, and Haratunga Tapam. Your sugar level will come down, your BP will come down, your liver problem will come down, your kidney problem will come down, your skin problem will come down, your sleeplessness will come down, everything will come down. Haratunga Tapam. Angatapa. There is a tapa in the body that will be gone. And how is your beauty? Oh, Master. Rupam drisham drishimatam akhilarthalabham. As you stand before Banke Bihari, as you stand before Dwarkadhish, as you stand before Venkateshwara, before Guruvairappa, all your desires are fulfilled without knowing. That is why I call it a boon granting beauty. Rupam drisham drishimatam akhilarthalabham tvayi achyuta avishati chittam apatrapam me. I am proposing to you, Krishna. Everyone is laughing at me. A woman proposing? Oh no. Tradition demands that a man says, you are beautiful, you are lovely, you are loving, I love you, can I marry you? This is what the man has to say. But I am proposing, Krishna, but I know you are Achyuta. Achyuta means one who doesn't let you down. One who doesn't let you down. That is why she calls him Achyuta. My mother, Draupadi, also says Dwaraka Nilaya Achyuta. She's saying, you have never let down your devotees. You will never let me down, Krishna. With that hope, I call you Achyuta. Second shloka. Katva mukund mahati kulashila rupa vidyada vayodravina dhamabhiratma tulyam dhirapatim kulavati navranita kanya kale nrisimha naraloka manobhiramam. O Mukunda, you are equal only to yourself. You are the one who would be loved by anybody. Kula, Shila, Rupa, Vidya, Vaya, Dravina, Dhama, Vir Atmatulyam. With your, anybody who has all these things in her, she would naturally fall for you. Dhira Patim Kulavati Navranita Kanya. How can anybody not long for you, Krishna? Who are you, Narasimha? She calls him Narasimha. Why Narasimha? Had Narasimha delayed by 1 minute, Hiranyakashipu would have cut off the head of Prahlada. Punctual God, punctual God. Already Shishupala has left his home. The Bharat has started. Janavasam has started. Any moment he arrived. Within 2 days, it is 1.5 days actually, I am going to be sacrificed to this Shishupala. Come, Master, come. Third, Tanme Bhavan Kalurta Patirangajayam Atmarpitach Bhavatotra Vibho Videhi Ma Veera Bhagam Abhimarshatu Chaidya Arat Gomayuvat Mrgapater Balimambujaksham Yajno Yagnapatir Yajva Yajnango Yagnavahanahan. You are the master of sacrifice, and I am like the sacrificial offering. How can the sacrificial offering, which is due, which is to be given to the lion, how can it be taken away by the jackal called Shishupala, who is a deceitful rogue? Why should I come, Purva Paksha? Why should I come, Rukmini? What does your biodata say? What is your qualification? In any past birth, if I have done anything good and you are pleased by my good deeds, come and take me away, Krishna. पूर्तिष्ठदत्तनियमव्रतदेव विप्र गुर्वर्चनादिविरलं भगवान् परेशः आराधितो यदि गदाग्रज एत्यपाणिं गृह्णातु मेन दमघोषसुतादयोन्ये. Let not Shishupala and others come and take me away, Master. In my past births, if I've done anything good, go back to the Gita. Yat karoshi, yad ashnasi, yad juhoshi, dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Whatever you're doing, early in the morning, my dear listeners, tell the Lord, whatever puja part I'm doing, whatever japa tapa I'm doing, any temple visit that I'm giving, any prasadam that I'm partaking, all that is Krishna Arpanam. If you can't remember the morning, at least at the end of the day, that is why I said, wish at dawn and thank at dusk. Please, in my messages, I told you, wish at dawn and thank at dusk. Thank the Lord for what He has given. Offer everything to Him. Yat karoshi, yadashnasi, whatever you eat, whatever it is. If in my last birth, I have done anything like I have given charity, I have observed rituals, I have gone to holy places, I have done penance, I have pleased Brahmanas and the Devas and the spiritual masters, I have done worship, other activities like that, and you are pleased by it. If you are pleased by it, then come and take me away. I will give you a suggestion. I always tell my audience, when we sit for prayer, we forget that He is omniscient. Krishna, I have got a daughter. She's 21, 22. She's finished her study, or maybe 22, 23. Time for her to get married. That boy in London, no, my sister knows him. He's very good for her. Please try to get me that son-in-law. You think that's not possible, Krishna? As if the Lord is answering and giving her a choice. There's a fellow in Singapore. My brother lives in Singapore. He told me that they went to the temple, and in the temple he saw this boy, very good boy, very good boy. My dear listeners, have you to suggest to God? Doesn't God know what to give? That's why I said plan not to plan. Planning only leads us to hypertension. In, in my message, I asked, does the lotus plan to unfurl itself? As the sun rises, petal upon petal opens. Like that, let us open every morning and submit to His grace. It's a beautiful feeling when you submit to grace. But I have a suggestion, Krishna. Shvobhavinitvam ajitotvahane vidarbhan gupta samitya pritana pati viparitah nirmathya chaidyamagadendra balam prasahya mam rakshasena vidina udvaha virya shulkam. Master, I have a suggestion. Please come. You must have seen heroes, particularly the Chinese heroes I like. Because one Chinese hero can fight with 400 people and not a single band-aid. Please clap for him. I don't know how he does it. He goes straight into the sky and from there he comes with a sword and he has killed so many people. Like that, Krishna, hero of heroes, come and take me away. Fight with all my soldiers, all those guards who are there in the Antapura. You don't want to kill anybody? Hmm? Antapurantaracharin, anihatya bandhun, tvam utvahe kathamiti pravadam upayam. Does the Lord need a suggestion? Upaya. I give you an upaya, Krishna. Purvedyurasti mahati kuladevi yatra yasyam bahir navavadhu girijam upeyat. Master, master. There is a temple at the outskirts of our capital, Vidarbha. And that is Mother Durga's temple. In our family, there is a tradition. Just before the wedding, the bride, beautifully dressed, along with all her companions and the Brahmin's wives, and the music playing, she goes to Mother Durga and prays for a long, happy married life. The third skanda of the Bhagavata, Dampatyartham Umam Satim, says the Bhagavata. If you want Dampatya, if you want good, happy married life, think of Devi Rajarajeshwari, Parvati. That is what we do. And we go there. At that time, Krishna, the security is not very tight because it's a temple. Nothing to worry. Only good people will come. That is what we feel. No? So, yasyam bahirnava vadu girijam upeyat. You don't want to come? I have applied. You can reject. You are the master of the world. I am one of the million creatures. Tere to hai lakhon bhakt, tu mera ek hi sham. I am only one Krishna. You have many Rukminis in the world, Swami. You won't come? Let me tell you that my tenacity of faith is extraordinary. I have unparalleled faith in you, unflinching belief. If you don't come now, I will take 100 births. And in every birth, I will do penance. I'll become emaciated. But I will belong only to you, Krishna. Only to you. So many film songs which say, "So bar janam lenge." I'll take 100 births. It's only from Mother Rukmini. Who are you? Yasyangri pankajarajasnapanam mahanto vanchanti umapatimiva atmatamopahatyai. The Lord, great gods, demigods like Shiva, are waiting to take the dust of your feet and bathe themselves in the dust of your feet, to purify themselves. Umapatiriva atmatamopahatyai, to remove the darkness of their hearts. Yerhi Ambujaksha, she's saying, Ambujaksha, you have beautiful eyes, large eyes. Large eyes stand for a large heart behind. Ambujaksha, you have lotus petaled eyes, Krishna. Don't let me down. If you don't come, nalabheya bhavat prasadam. If I don't get your prasada, if you don't come to favor me, jahyam soon, I will kill myself. I will go into deep meditation, fast unto death. Vratakrishan shatajanma bhisyat. Even if it is 100 births. Ityete guhya sandesha yadudeva maya krita vimrishya kartum yachatra kriyatam tadanantaram. The Brahmana says, these are the 7 shlokas, sir. These are the 7 shlokas she sent. You call it a message, you call it a written message. Let us not quarrel about it. Let ordinary people quarrel. We won't quarrel. We'll accept it as a written or an oral message, both. Research sometimes leads to altercation. I don't want quarrels over a beautiful text of the Lord's devotion. What does the Brahmin say? Do what you want, sir. Do what you want. And what does Krishna say? Please see how beautifully he reacts. Vaidarbhyasu sandesham nishamya yunandanaha pragrihya panina panim prahasan idam abravi. Does he not know that Mother Rukmini is in love with him? Does he not know that she has sent a Brahmin? Does he not know that he also wants to marry her? He takes the Brahmin's hand and smiles. I have told you, there are smiles and smiles of the Lord. The master's smile now is an understanding smile. Don't worry, sir, I'm equally in love with her. Tata ahamapita chitto nidram charalabhe nishi. Like a true lover, he says, I'm in love with her. I like her so much. I'm so devoted to her devotion that I can't sleep at night. So the moment you are in love, you can't sleep at night. No. Those of us who are not sleeping every night doesn't mean that we are not in love with somebody, just to make you laugh. My dear listeners, the Lord is acting like a true lover. I don't sleep at night. I think of her. I dream of meeting her. Vedaham Rukmina Dveshan Mamodvaho Nivaritaha. I know the whole family wants me to marry her, but there's one stumbling block, and that is my brother-in-law to be. His name is Rukmi. ताम आनिश्ये उन्मथ्य राजन यापत Rajanya Apasadan. There are the members who are not fit. They are bad fellows there. I will defeat all of them. Matparam Anavadyangim, she who is dedicated to me, I will bring her like the flame that is coming from the wood that is kindled. I will marry her. Don't worry. Come, Brahmin, and he makes the Brahmin sit in his own chariot. Arukhya Sandanam Shauri. From that Anartha, that district, to Vidarbha, in one night he reaches. How does he reach, says the Bhagavata? Maybe he's rehearsing the chariot driving on the battlefield for Arjuna. Raja Sakundinapatihi. Who is the Raja of Kundinapati? That is Vidarbha Raja, Bhishmaka. People come and tell him, Krishna has come, Krishna has come. Oh, anybody is happy. Everybody is happy that Krishna has come. But then, Shishupalaya Swam Kanyam Dasyan Karman Akarayat. On one side, he's very happy that Shishupala is getting ready. Everything, all arrangements are being made, says the Bhagavata. Mother Rukmini has a holy bath. She is beautifully dressed. Just as all preparations for the wedding are going on, preparations for war are also going on. If Krishna is in the background, it means there is going to be trouble. If Krishna is in the background, it means there is going to be trouble. So you have, who are those who have gathered? Shalva, Jarasandha, Dantavakra, Viduratha, all of them are there. All of them are come with their army. Is this the way to come for a wedding? They expect problem. Krishna means problem. Krishna means sensation. Krishna means sensation. Krishna means opposition. And Krishna is known to be the thief of thieves. Chaurasya chauryam jagati prasiddham chauryasya chauryam tunadrishta purvam chauryani karyani batashrutani krishnasya mushtanti tamam tamamsi. He who listens to the history of the Lord's thieving, his papa of thieving is gone. So even you can steal. Because we have heard the Bhagavatam, go ahead and steal. That papa will be gone. My dear listeners, everybody says that stealer has come. That illustrious stealer, I won't call him notorious, that illustrious stealer has come. So we must be careful. all of them who are there, they are waiting to attack Krishna. At that time, if Balramji feels that he should also protect his younger brother, Bhishma Kanya Vararoha Kankshinti Agamanam Hare, turn the video camera towards Mother Rukmini. The Brahmin is not arrived. The Brahmin has not come. I hope Krishna did not see any minus point in me. Kinchit jugupsitam. Did he see something bad in me that he has not responded? Why has the Brahmin not come? Or maybe my fate is bad. Whenever things don't happen, you say, my fate. Durbhagaya namedhata nanukulo maheshwaraha. The moment things don't happen as we want them, we blame Brahma and Shiva, the first two demigods who are the butt of our abuse. This Vidhata, this Brahma, he's got 4 faces, and not even one of them is looking at me. The 3-eyed Shiva, all the 3 eyes are shut. He also is not looking at me. Well, that is men. What about the woman called Devi? She's equally hard-hearted. Why is she hard-hearted? Because she was born to a mountain, Girija. Her father is hard-hearted. She is hard-hearted. Devi Vavi Mukha Gauri Rudrani Girija Sati. She's Sati. She burnt herself in her father Daksha's yajna. Does she want me to burn myself too? Evam chintayati bala Govinda Ratamanasa. That's why I sang that song. Govind mein teri ban gayi, तुम मेरे बन जाना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना. Her heart was stolen by Krishna. That lady, suddenly she closed her eyes and said, what is happening? This time left, there is time more. Just then, her left thigh, her left arm, and her left eye throbbed. These are the Lakshanas. They call Lakshanas in Sanskrit poetry. When the right eye throbs for the man, it is good. The left eye throbs for the woman, it is good. I hope you understand. Atha Krishna Nirdishta Sayeva Dvijasattamaha Antapuracharim Devim Rajaputrim Dadarsha Ha. Suddenly she says, oh yes, in the corridor, I see that Brahmin whom I sent, he has come. He came and told her that the Lord is planning to marry you and he has come. For fun, I tell my audience, not only have I brought the Jawab for you, I have brought Janardana for you. I have brought the Lord himself. At that time, Mother Rukmini doesn't know how to reciprocate. She doesn't know how to respond. Not knowing anything, she falls on the ground and does pranama to him, to the Brahmin. Na pashyanti brahmanaya priyam anyat nanamasa. That is why I said at the beginning, he doesn't want to reveal his identity. I'll just take a few more minutes of yours because we have to see them married. It is here that the Lord, I don't think I can do the wedding today. Take some time. Time. Take some more time. Okay. Everybody is waiting for Mother Rukmini to get ready. And as she's getting ready, the people of Vidarbha say, Krishna has come. Krishnam agatam akarnya Vidarbha puravasinaha agatya netranji jalvihi papustan mukhapankajam. All of them are drinking his beauty. That is the best part about Krishna. When you look at Krishna, you drink his beauty. Papuhu, they drank his beauty. And as they drink his beauty, I'll complete the katha here. Because a lot of shlokas, I don't want to skip anything, any beautiful detail in the Bhagavatam. So tomorrow will be the wedding. My dear listeners, may the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha, Tatra Shri Vichayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. नारायण 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 बोलो नारायण 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 कृष्ण नारायण 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 सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीविजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम.
Thank you, Amma.
Jai Shri
Thank you
Krishna,
very
Ma.
much, Amma.
Thank you.
Thank you,
जय श्री
Amma.
कृष्ण
Jai
अम्मा.
Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Thank you so
Jai
much.
Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Yes.
जय श्री.
Jai
Yes.
Shri Krishna.
Thank you.
Jai
Jai Shri
Shri
Krishna, Ma.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Ma.
Bhajans and the miracle of the sweet.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi. Jai Shri Krishna.
Yes. Yes.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा. जय श्री
Krishna,
कृष्ण.
Ma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.